Now to a Target 12 investigators exclusive. We're learning overdose deaths related to the super potent drug fentanyl have overtaken other illicit drugs in Rhode Island, and the numbers show it's getting worse. Like many states, Rhode Island is grappling with the opioid crisis, but overdose deaths from fentanyl now outnumber accidental deaths from all other drugs combined. Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with the details.
According to the CDC, fentanyl is a powerful painkiller that is also manufactured illegally on the streets. It's often mixed with other drugs like heroin and cocaine that, even in small amounts, can be lethal.
As the night wore on, I just had bad thoughts, the worst thoughts you can have as a parent.
In 2014, Sue Kutu's daughter, Kristen, had just returned from a rehab facility in Texas. She told her mom she was having dinner with a friend, then heading to a support meeting.
And when I opened the door, there were two policemen there, and they said, I didn't even let them speak at first, and I just said, please don't tell me my daughter's dead.
The 29-year-old had suffered a fatal overdose. Kutu says her daughter was a heroin user, but investigators say she was sold nearly pure fentanyl. Do you think Kristen knew how much fentanyl was in the drug that she took?
I don't think Kristen thought there was any fentanyl in the drug that she took.
Unfortunately, it's our #1 crisis still going on.
Department of Health Director Dr. Nicole Alexander Scott says overdose deaths have ticked up in the last few years, 290 in 2015 and 336 in 2016.
Our modeling shows that we may plateau around the same number. More than one death is unacceptable in our minds.
The data shows fentanyl is a growing cause behind those deaths. In 2014, 35% of overdose deaths in Rhode Island were fentanyl-related, according to numbers from the Department of Health. That grew to 47% in 2015, 59% in 2016, and so far this year, 60% of overdose deaths in Rhode Island are linked to fentanyl. Hearing those numbers, how frustrated are you?
I'm very frustrated. I'm frustrated that we aren't able to get a handle on this situation. I'm frustrated that we haven't thought out of the box.
Kutu says going cold turkey, like the rehab her daughter received, does not work. She says people need to embrace medicated-assisted treatment using drugs like Suboxone long-term to curb cravings. And she urges parents to talk to their kids and not to ignore signs.
Love them as much as you can. Just love your children so much. And that alone gives them a feeling of belonging and being part of something bigger than themselves. Family is so important.
The man who sold Kristen Kutu the fentanyl-laced heroin pleaded no contest to second-degree murder and received a 20-year prison sentence. It's the first time in Rhode Island a drug dealer was convicted of murder in an overdose case. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.
The Target 12 investigators are always looking to uncover news. If you want to help expose corruption or drop a dime on government waste, you can call our tip line 228-1763 or email us at target12@wpri.com.